Chongqing Liziji. A delicious Chinese main course recipe. This recipe serves 4 servings. Preparation takes about 30 minutes. And cooking takes around 25 minutes. Here is what you'll need. 1.5 pounds chicken thighs, 1 tablespoon Shaoxing wine, 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, a half teaspoon salt, a half teaspoon white pepper powder, 2 tablespoons cornstarch, 2 cups dried red lantern chilies, 2 tablespoons Sichuan peppercorns, 2-inch piece ginger, 6 cloves garlic. Step 1. In a large bowl, combine the cubed chicken with Shaoxing wine, light soy sauce, salt, and white pepper. Mix well and let marinate for at least 20 minutes. Step 2. Prepare the dried chilies by cutting them in half with kitchen shears. Shake out most of the seeds, which carry bitter heat, and set the chili skins aside. Step 3. Just before frying, toss the marinated chicken with the cornstarch until each piece is lightly and evenly coated. This ensures a thin, crisp exterior. Step 4. Heat 3 cups of oil in a wok or deep pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Use a thermometer or check if a wooden chopstick bubbles vigorously when inserted. Step 5. Carefully add the chicken in batches. Fry for 3 to 4 minutes until the chicken is cooked through and pale golden. Remove with a slotted spoon and drain on paper towels. Step 6. Increase the oil temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Return all the chicken to the wok for a second fry for about 1 minute. This double fry method is the secret to maximum crunch and a deep golden color. Step 7. Drain the chicken again and pour out all but 3 tablespoons of the oil from the wok. Step 8. Over low heat, add the Sichuan peppercorns to the oil. Stir fry for 30 seconds until fragrant, being careful not to burn them. Step 9. Add the sliced ginger, garlic, and the white parts of the scallions. Stir fry for 1 minute until the aromatics are softened and smelling wonderful. Step 10. Add the dried chilies to the wok. Continue to stir fry over low-medium heat for 2 to 3 minutes until the chilies turn a slightly darker, shiny red and the air smells spicy. Do not let them turn black. Step 11. Turn the heat to high and return the fried chicken to the wok. Toss everything together rapidly so the chicken absorbs the chili and peppercorn oils. Step 12. Sprinkle in the sugar and add the green parts of the scallions. Toss for another 30 seconds. Step 13. Drizzle with toasted sesame oil and give one final toss. Plate the dish, ensuring the chicken is buried under the beautiful mountain of chilies. Step 14. Garnish with toasted sesame seeds and serve immediately while the chicken is at its crispiest. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.